robotic surgeries. It has pushed the frontiers in innovation of healthcare technology with proven good clinical outcomes in women undergoing gynecological surgeries. Hi, myself Dr. Ankita Chandna, Director in Robotics and Advanced Laparoscopic Surgery, Max Hospital, Shalimar Bagh. Want to just brief about the advantages of this technology in benign conditions as well as early cancer condition for women healthcare. Robotics. The latest technology which has come to us in our OTs now has helped in a way to overcome all the side effects of open surgeries and even laparoscopic surgeries for difficult, complex, benign as well as malignant cases of gynec conditions. Which all gynec problems are usually managed here are the large fibroids, large ovarian cyst, endometriosis, which are now upcoming diseases linked even with infertility, any kind of hysterectomies and prolapse condition. So what is the advantage? Why robotic has an edge on other technology is that there is a very precise surgery involved here because of the use of robotic arms, which has a 7 degree of freedom of movement, just mimicking our wrist movement. So in fact, the surgeries coming up into the small pelvic area in which there are surrounding vital organs like ureter, bowel and bladder are effectively managed in complex cases, where earlier we used to resort only with an open surgery giving a large scar on the abdomen. So why is this a minimal invasive technology important? Because it reduces the risk of post-operative recovery time, the patient gets up faster, goes home earlier, post-operative pain is less, the need for blood transfusion during surgery is less, and in a way it helps in the better outcome for the women. So when should we consider robotics? Anytime when there is a need for a large, complex cases, or the patient is obese and, advised for an open surgery, maybe for the complexity involved, this technology overcomes these barriers in a way to help the patient have an advantage of a minimal invasive technique as well as correct the whole disease condition inside due to the improved visualization with 3D stereoscopic vision which is available with the robot, as well as the instruments taking care of the blood loss and, like we mentioned, the post-operative recovery.